In this video, I will show you how to chat on Facebook without the Messenger app. The first thing you want to do is uninstall the Messenger app. So go ahead and tap on the uninstall option and uninstall it. After you have uninstalled Messenger, now close the Facebook app completely. If you have Facebook opened in your recent apps, then close that as well. Now launch open the Facebook app, log into your account. Here you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select that. Now you will find two options over here. Go ahead and look for the option that says chat on Facebook and tap on it. Now it will take you to the chat section. Here, you're going to get the prompt of get messenger. You can close that prompt and start chatting over here. Go ahead and open any conversation that you want and then start chatting. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.